Well, we're here today at Rolling Hills Siam Country Club, and I've got a very special guest to interview today, Ian, all the way from, I believe, Perth. Is that correct?
Perth.
Now, you have a very interesting history with Golfasian. I believe you've been coming and playing golf in our wonderful Thailand for some time. How many years have you been coming to Thailand?
Well, we've been coming to Thailand for well over 20 years, but using Golfasian for the last 8.
Now, you have an interesting history because you had a rather good job for a long time. Tell us about that, first of all.
Well, I've been in aviation all my life. I had 17 years in the Royal Australian Air Force and then 35 years with Cathay Pacific Airways in Hong Kong.
And you now personally run a golf tour yourself in order to make sure that you always get a chance to come to Thailand. And it's called, and I'll focus in, Kai Tak Tour. Kai Tak, for those older enough to remember, is that amazing airport in Hong Kong, correct?
Yes, it is, or was.
Where you'd land and you could see the people doing their washing in their condos.
One of the more challenging and exciting airports to operate from, and we enjoyed it for all the time. I was lucky. I got 12 years of Kai Tak Airport before
they closed it.
Before they closed it, and we moved to Chek.
Now, turning ourselves to golf, what sort of golfer are you? Are you a high handicap, low handicap?
High handicapper now. I've always been, I think the best I ever got to was about just under 10. That lasted a few years, but as the ravages of time have taken their toll, I'm of course in the high teens right now, but enjoying it more than ever.
But your little group today is about 20 players. Now, you've come here to Siam Country Club's Rolling Hills. Have you played here before?
I personally have never played here before. We've only got one member who's played here before, and we were happy to introduce Rolling Hills as a new course for this year.
Yeah, it's very exciting. Now, can you sum up what makes it so special playing your round of golf in Thailand?
So, without any doubt, the best things about Thailand are the support you get at the golf course, certainly the support we get from Golfasian. It's very nice once a year to have caddy golf, and the food and beverage is always excellent, first class. All the amenities, we look forward to it enormously, and you can't understate the fun and the nightlife in Thailand. Of course, it's always been good.
I think the quality of golf in this region is very high. We have very high standard of conditions of golf courses. Do you think it compares price-wise back home in Perth?
So this is a really interesting point. Being in the airline industry, I used to have my golf clubs on my shoulders every chance there was a chance to play golf. And of course you seek out the best golf courses, pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars to play these golf courses around the world, come back to Thailand, and there's just no doubt that this is the best bang for your buck available. Great golf courses, as good as anywhere in the world, and not overpriced.
And last question, maybe difficult because you've been coming here so long, but what would you say is your favourite golf course in Thailand?
I've been asked that question many times, and I'm reluctant to answer it because we're in a position where we don't have to choose. And it's not, once again, we've played Siam Rolling Hills, we've played Siam the Old Course, we've played Siam Plantation, and in years past we've played the Waterside. We're looking forward to playing Siam Bangkok at one time, but this is not about Siam. There's some great courses, but clearly these people are putting a lot of effort into fine quality golf here in